Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yeah, it's weekend. Weekend on Saturday. In today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday. It's the 2nd of January. Yes, 2nd of January, 2021. Yes, the first newspaper in New Year is the Saturday's newspaper, and today in the newspaper we have here one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper a quintuplet. Yes, quintuplet. It's a lot of work to solve this, more than an hour. I need to solve this. I hated to solve this. So I won't do this anymore. Only the Sudokus, tectonics, and the binaries I will do. Alright. And I believe there's also in the newspaper additional with extra Sudokus. I do not know. I have not seen the newspaper yet. But first, I will solve this baby regular Sudoku number 2098. Yes, 2098. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Yes, printed digits. Let me do this. Let me count the printed digits so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. Normally the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. But lately the publisher has published only 25 printed digits. Alright, we have here 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 14, 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 5 is 26, plus 2 is 28. So we have here 28 printed digits. So it must be easier than a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have a 7 in this row, the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. How about the number? Let me see, which number can I pick? The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle columns, in the column next. Only 2 places for 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. The then I cannot continue with the 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. No. I cannot continue with the 9. Let's do it with the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column and next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about the number? Yes. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see there an 8, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in this row, an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for an 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair within a big square. The other pair in this big square should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then. 3. Alright. 6, 2. 6, 2. Concentrate. We have a 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row. Only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 6 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for a 2 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5 is here. 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair should be the 8 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. 2 pairs. Alright, how about those two numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this is going to be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers 1 and 4 are missing. 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, let me see. Yeah, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then 3, 4, 5. Alright. 9 in this first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 9, first digit. All right, 1, 4, 2. All right. Can I continue with the 8? No. 1 and the 4. How about the 4? No. 6 should be here. I'm scanning. How about the 7 then? Yeah, the 7 are used. Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, this is the digit number 2. All right. Then we have 5, 8, 3. Well, what's happening? How about those two numbers? 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two numbers, the 1 and the 2, are missing in this big square. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 1, 5 and the 3. 1, 5, 3. I cannot fill this yet. 2, 5, 3. Cannot fill this yet. About the 2. 2 numbers left in this last row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair, 2 and an 8 also. How about those 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 4? We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 6. Alright, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright, so we have a pair 2 and the 8. That means 1 digit left in the third column for the number 1. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So 1 in this third row, or the third column, yes, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square, 3 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only place for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 8 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. By the way, I will post also a link of the quintuplet. Yes. If you like quintuplets, you can see the link below. I won't do them anymore because too much and time consuming. Yeah, too much time. Alright. And don't forget, yes people, don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. Bye bye, and maybe we will meet again with the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.